Hey Davers, Alick here. The week has started here in our office. We got an MOU signed from a new partner that's super exciting. We'll update you guys shortly. Me, Norm, and Tal will be having a very interesting meeting with a delegation from Asia, from a very big company that expressed their interest in collaborations with us. And the Taxi Alliance outreach is getting ready. Lior is just updating some of the collaterals. We submitted our feedback and we'll see the final product soon. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Laparty here. Yesterday I did a good amount of work on filling out and completing a form and some additional information for a partnership we're looking to work on. So I did a good amount of work there. Also worked on our advertising a little bit, tweaking different things and looking at which countries you want to be focusing on. Today the main focus has been around adjusting and altering some of the messaging around the KYC and also the affiliate program a little bit, making sure that that's totally in check, making sure that everybody who is completing and submitting a KYC is getting everything properly. But that's about it. I also worked on some content pieces and also some new advisor things happening. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to continue with the BiggleBone integration, try to finish it during the next few days. Bye!
Hello everyone, so today I spent a bit of time working on quite a lengthy draft for an announcement that we'll be making fairly soon. Also catching up on some material that I have to put together for our new PR firm, Brightbee. Also happy to say that InDrones from India, they're coming on board with the DAV Alliance, so I'll have that to look forward to. And finally this weekend I have a meeting with a rover company that I'm trying to connect with another DAV Alliance member, Movie Innovations. So hopefully something productive will come out of that. And I will see you guys next time.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today started the day with making 2 DailyDAVs, and then I had a conversation with Alick and Lior about the blockchain and crypto meetup next week. They're going to be talking there about DAV and I'm going to be filming them. Really exciting. Now I'm going to start working on a new project, the Scammers video me and Alick shot last month. It's a really interesting project, there is a lot to learn from it. So stay tuned, that's it, bye.
Hi everybody! Today I'm going to finish the task of UI integration in our mission app of a routing plan service provider called Grad. And then I'm going to start working on catching new fans from the blockchain for our crowd sale. Bye!
Hey everyone, at the end of last week I started focusing on helping our early contributors through the KYC process. This is of course in addition to our ongoing pre-sale inquiries and agreements. So today, in addition to KYC and pre-sale, I'll also start stepping in a bit more with our social media platforms again, so I can keep everybody updated on our activities. See you next time.
Hey guys, so last week Alex, Yurii and I finished working on the new Blockchain Today section and the new webpage and came out really nice, it was really great. And today was mostly around the KYC process, making sure that user experience there is okay and that everything is clear. And I also started working on a new repository on GitHub that's called DIP, which stands for DAV Improvements Proposals, and should ease the contribution for our community members to improve what we already built. And well, this is it for today, guys. Thanks.
Hi everyone! A few days ago I made design right Highland Day. Today I'll a little bit change design this document. I'll plan and merge a couple of sections and change our tags. Also I'll plan and continue making illustration for our protocol. Have a nice day!